Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off and turn on your earbuds Sony. So basically we have a few options how to turn on and a few options how to turn off. The first one is to put your earbuds to the charging case and it will automatically turn off your earbuds. And to turn on it, you need to remove it from the charging case. You remove it, your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and when you remove it, it turns on your headphones. The second option, how to turn off your headphones, is to open Sony Sound Connect application. And right here, if you add your earbuds, of course, to the application, you will see the same menu. Right here at this menu, at the right top, we have a power button. You just tap on it and we can turn off by click OK. We just turn off it, and to turn on it, you need to press and hold at the both of the touch areas. Touch areas located at the back side. Right here at the top, we have touch areas, and you just press and hold on it. And it will turn on your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!